Hi there, my name is Presley Renner, and I'm a customer support specialist here at StreamYard. Today, we're going to be talking about virtual backgrounds. So, if you've ever wanted to cover up the blank space behind you in your stream, now it's possible with StreamYard. In your StreamYard studio, click the Settings tab and then click Virtual Background. Here, you'll see a bunch of different options that we've put in so that you can cover up that background. You can also upload your own. Here are some tips to have the best possible experience. Make sure that you have really good lighting so that the border between you and your background will be firm. Don't wear clothes that are the same color as your background. You want to stand out. Finally, use a powerful computer with good connection. Connecting to your router is always best on a StreamYard stream. I hope you enjoy this new feature. I know I sure am. As always, hit subscribe to continue learning more about StreamYard. Thank you. Thanks for watching.